Okay, here we're going to show you how to install our ultimate survival watch band on a G-Shock watch. This watch band comes with the knife, fire starter, and 2 fishing hooks inside the band and the stainless steel shackle. We have a G-Shock. We already took off the original band. The pins are out right here. Basically, when you get your band, the lines that you will be connecting to the watch are already separated by the paper clips. So you just pull one out. Take your pin, put it under, grab your watch, get one side in, flip it, grab a knife or a screwdriver. We use a little flathead screwdriver here. It's a little tricky since you're only using 2 lines. G-Shocks are probably the hardest watches to put on. Tighten it up. We make these bands on the watch, then take it off and ship to you, so it's always a perfect snug fit. Like this. Now you can take off the other side. Same idea. Put this down. This is where it gets tricky. You need to stretch it a little bit to get it in there. Okay. Now just push it in. And that's it. This is what it will look like. And this is your ultimate survival watch band on a G-Shock. For more info, you can visit our site, HikePro.net. Thank you.